Celia from Expalot Studios. Today we are going to test out the UV printed sheets on PVC. And the UV printed sheets, they look like this. I have to put the white paper behind because otherwise it doesn't really show. So yeah, so I will be cutting out the pieces of this and transferring it to PVC. This is something that you can order from us. You can make your own design and send the A4 design to me, and I will print it for you, and then you can choose to transfer it to whichever product you want, basically. And that's why we are doing these tests, so that you can see what works and what doesn't. And today we are testing PVC.
So after you cut the vinyl, you measure that the vinyl and the logo fits to your product. You take the vinyl between your index finger and the middle finger, and you take off the vinyl from under, and you keep your thumb down so that the foil will be straight all the time. And then just put it on the product, press it, and it's ready. Super easy way to transfer your logo, your text on your products. You don't need any to order the product anyway. If you have the product, then simply transfer it. PVC is super easy. At the moment, we are having one A4 paper is only 15 euros, and that's including one color printing. And you can just email me your A4 artwork, and you can fit how many you can fit in an A4 paper pretty much. You can contact us in asiakaspalvelu@expalot.com. Thank you for watching.